Tired of snail mail when paying your US visa application fee from Canada? Let's ditch the old ways and pay online. First, head over to the US Department of State's Consular Electronic Application Center website. The link is in the description below to make it super easy. You need to access the official CEAC website. Next, find the DS-160 form selection. Make sure you choose the correct US embassy or consulate in Canada where you'll be attending your interview. This is important so the fee is correctly linked to your application. Select Canada from the country menu. Then, select the location you intend to attend the interview. Now, enter your application ID, which you received when you completed your DS-160 form. You'll also need to answer a couple of security questions you set up during the DS-160 process. This verifies your identity and connects the payment to your application. Once you've verified your details, you'll be directed to the payment options page. Look for the option to pay online using a credit or debit card. This is usually the fastest and most convenient method. You'll be redirected to a secure payment gateway. Enter your credit card details carefully. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and security code to avoid any errors. Make sure your card is valid for international transactions, as some Canadian cards may have restrictions. After your payment is processed, you should receive a confirmation page with the confirmation number. Print this page or save a screenshot. You'll need this confirmation as proof of payment when you attend your visa interview. That's it. You've successfully paid your US visa application fee online from Canada.